Hello everyone. So this is regarding Nextbase Dashcam. So normally you will get a sticky pad and you stick the Nextbase Dashcam to the windscreen, right? And because of the bad weather, the warm weather, they keep coming off. So I went to look around in a few shops and they were giving me this bit which called a Nextbase attachment thing, and they're selling for is £20, £15, and I managed to got this one for £4.99 from Nextbase website. So you already may have the magnet bit with your dashcam already, which goes something like this, and then you got this bit because you already have this one with the one you attach the sticky pad, right? So I took this off. So I'm gonna attach this one with my dash cam, right? So it's gonna go somewhere like this. Okay. Yeah, something like this. You just need to slide in, okay? And then you just stick it to your dashboard and you're good to go, right? See, something like this, right? So it wouldn't come off, and really helpful, I guess, and it's not that expensive as well. Go and have a try. Thank you.